Hello here again. I'm Noxy. Today I try to draw a crow.
Just wanted to have art with a winter atmosphere.
Yet it's still a one-color form.
It will be a spotted crow sitting on a branch. I'll go into more details a bit later.
I have redrawn the wings several times. The one remaining at the end was the best. After that, the main things: light, color, patterns on the body, and etc. The crow gets fluffy. After done with wings, I'll go back to the background. I already like that blue eyes and fluff. I was in a winter mood, so it would be night and snow in the background. Had to abandon the idea of snow on a branch because it was too difficult for me so far. What do you think? The following art promises to be pretty realistic, by the way.